Alright, I got my new Minn Kota Terrova kayak set up on my Old Town 120 PDL. And it's up and running right now. Just got all the wiring done. And these navigation lights, they're really nice. I only got them for like 15 bucks on Amazon. I just have them rigged up straight down this this drilled hole I made. And it just runs down to this 8 amp non-lithium battery. Then my trolling motor, it has all the wires connected to this receptacle right here. Then it runs to the rear of the kayak with the 6 gauge wire. Then if you run down there, it's my dog right there. I have it connected into this little hatch right here, this little seal hatch. And then there's like 3 feet of wire that connects all the way to this Anderson plug. And this Anderson plug, both of these have built-in 60 amp fuses. Not circuit breakers, just fuses. So if one goes out, I can use this one. So I'll have extra fuses on me, if anything. Then I got my Blackpack Pro. Then my fish finder, I got the new, not new, but it's a 7SV Garmin. So I have that side view. Then all my wires run all the way down to an Aqua battery in here. An Aqua battery, the 10 amp Aqua lithium battery. Then my transducer, I have the transducer mount, I think it's the Yak Hobby. Got the Old Town through hole kit, just runs straight down to my transducer right there. And it's sweet. I didn't want to drill holes on this side or in there because I don't want my leg to get in the way, so I figured drilling up here is pretty nice. And that is it. That's my kayak. It's all ready set to go for next week. Got all these reflective stickers just for safety when I'm on the road. Oh, I forgot to add on, so I got these 250 centimeter paddles right here. Get rid of my old ones, so I got these new ones. There's different color. And on my seat, I got this little cooler right here. Will save my room than putting a cooler right here because my battery takes up a lot of space. So I got this from Amazon. It's called the Yak Hacker Kayak seat cooler. Then I got my Navari handle right here. So when I turn, it's for the rudder back there. And what else did I do? I got this right here. So this is where my flag will go. And I got these Navari side pocket tool holders. You get 2, and then you just go straight through. And for my batteries, to keep them in place, I just put Velcro down, just like so it doesn't fall off all over the place. I did the same for my Aqua back there.